Hi. You're watching Discover Agriculture channel. Now the video is on honey production business in a short and simplified way. Honey starts as flower nectar collected by bees, which gets broken down into simple sugars stored inside the honeycomb. What is producing honey called? Beekeeping, or apiculture, is the maintenance of bee colonies, commonly in man-made hives, by humans. Most such bees are honey bees in the genus Apis, but other honey-producing bees such as Melipona stingless bees are also kept. How long does it take for honey to grow? It will take a new beehive a minimum of 4 months to produce honey. A new colony may be producing an excess of honey within 4 months, but not necessarily enough for you to harvest. Practically speaking, you are unlikely to harvest any honey from a new colony until its second season. How to get ants or insects out of your hives? If anyone facing the problem of ants attacking honey hives, then you can implement the following idea. As you can see here, build a mini tank that has water and fish too. But these fishes with the only benefit in preventing ants. Also, if you've any new ideas, please comment. Honeybees in agriculture. The honeybee plays a vital role in the pollination of flowering plants, including crops. After all, 1/3 of the food we eat depends upon pollination, including almonds, apples, berries, cucumbers, and melons. Beekeeping is a forest and agro-based industry, which doesn't need more space. So, this helps one to develop an integrated farming system. Finally, we can conclude that beekeeping and crop farming integration for sustainable agriculture development. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and share the video with your friends. And subscribe to our channel, Discover Agriculture. Have a great day.